So my bathroom is like pretty much like besides the master and the guest room slash office downstairs is the only one that has its own bathroom. The other two rooms have a Jack and Jill connect, so yeah. But I have the smallest room and the smallest closet, so it everything's even. But this mirror right here is from Bed Bath and Beyond, and I got it for $34. I believe it was like $34 or $38, but it was on sale. And I kid you not, this mirror was like $100 online. Something serious. This was a great deal because I was looking for a mirror that I could hang on the door for college that didn't look cheap, because they were trying to get people to pay like $20 for something that looked like it was not even worth $5. Like some of the mirrors I saw were just so cheap and thin, and this looks so like nice, high quality and elegant. Like you can put this in your house, you can use it in the dorm. Like it's just everything. Unique shape, like you don't see this shape often. Okay, I just put the rugs back down really fast because it's really okay. I'm not just recording this for you two, I'm really recording this for me because I love looking back at like my old videos and I'm like, oh my gosh, like that's how like I used to like decorate my room, or like that's what I used to like do my makeup like yeah. So here, okay, these are like storage boxes, pretty much everything the same from college. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to not show you guys. So I just have like, these are like the bars that I use to cleanse my face. They're tea tree is a natural antiseptic, if you guys didn't know. And you know the #1 cause for acne is bacteria, so you better get you one of these. I'm telling you, something serious. And yeah, I used to be like, you know, that girl with like, you know, those painful pimples that were just deeply ingrained into the skin. Like everybody, you've experienced that before. Yeah. Not with this. Once in a blue moon. Not even that. I don't even want to say that. Just like using this, I cleanse twice a day, morning and night. It'll change your life. And get you like a cleansing brush or something like that to exfoliate your face every now and then. And you should be good. But then again, if you have like cystic acne or something, like you might need something more, you know. Yeah. Because there's some girlies that are out here and they can just, you know, use $5 products and they'll have glass skin. Literally. But you know, everybody needs to do their own routine and find what works for them. So yeah. Yeah, these are just like some press-on nails that don't fit because my nails are too long naturally, like, even if I cut them down. And that's like my shampoo. These are just like bags. I just collect the bags. I feel like everybody does that. And yeah, towels. My toothbrush is sitting here because I was cleaning, and you know, plus like when people walk through, I've just been sitting it in here for like the past month or so. And this is the towel and my shower cap, because you need everybody needs a shower cap because, you know, these are just like my pajamas I'm gonna like wear tonight. And okay, so I have like, yeah, this is just like more of like body stuff. I have like oils and stuff. I like to make my own hair mask, and sometimes I even like make body stuff. Yeah, so that's all. Like this is just like a bunch of hair, face, and body things going on. And even like, you know, oral care, like have like, you know, some tooth and enamel stuff, and you know, Q-tips, my hair box, my this thing, Clarisonic, yes. Oh, that's what this is for. I found some off-brand brushes. They're literally like, you can get like 2 brushes for $14, but this is a 4-pack that I got. I think I spent like $35 to $38 on it. And honestly, when Sephora used to have like the Clarisonic brushes, not even just Sephora, but like, you know, Ulta and Sephora, that stuff was so expensive. Like just having one brush was legit $27 and two was like almost 50. Yeah. So, and like now you can literally get two for like 14, and I kid you not, the brushes work so well. Like I've been using it. I don't use the Clarisonic every single day. I don't think you really need to. But just like at least like once every other day, if that, usually like 3 times a week or so. Yeah. Oh yeah, so then I just put like, okay, the wax kit, blow dryer, scale. Yeah, the scale has been sitting there since like high school. And this, I just brought this from college. And yeah, and the vacuum that just, the vacuum was sitting over there, but then I moved it in there for like, you know, viewing purposes, and I was just grateful it fit. So we were really out here, and we even had room for the laundry basket. Like look at this. This is a chef's kiss. Yeah. So here I have all my Norwex towels. They're all clean, so that's why they're all touching, because otherwise it's like, no, they're on like separate hooks, if that. Especially if it's used, it'll usually just go on the bar right there. So this one's like the makeup remover one. I'm about to post the makeup video, so you guys should go watch that. Yeah, this one's like, I usually use this one for like my face more so, like just like after I cleanse or whatever. And this has like some type of material in it. My mom says it has a material that it's supposed to like cancel. I don't know what it's called. I need to do research and see so I can properly tell you guys, because I don't want to be out here like spreading misinformation. Yeah, and this one I usually just use on the body. And I have like, okay, so here's the thing. So I have like some leftover, oh my gosh. So I have like some leftover Norwex like solution, and like my roommates would make fun of me and say, they're like, oh my gosh, are you doing drugs? And I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, like, no, they didn't say like that, but they thought that it was like, you know, it looks sus. But yeah, this is, one is supposed to like revitalize the towels, and one is actually the natural detergent. So yeah, I just keep that in there to cleanse my towels, because the regular detergent kind of like breaks them down. And yeah, and then this is my dry brush, and then this is like my pumice rock thing. Yeah, I think I'm honestly about to throw this away, because I made a body mask and the stuff will not come out. So honestly, and I just got a new pumice rock too, and it's just like literally, it's a volcanic one. It's just like so like chef's kiss. Yeah. So okay, let me just show you guys right here. So I don't want to like show my face today because like, yeah. So this is how the mirror looks. And then this one, this was so inappropriate for, so I had this in my bathroom since I was like 17, and it says never chase anything but drinks and dreams. And my mom didn't know that it said that until I think she was showing somebody my bathroom, one of her friends my bathroom on FaceTime, and they were like, did you know that that said that? And then she was just like, oh my gosh, I didn't know. That's not appropriate for a 17-year-old. But you know, we still have it up. Yeah, because it's just like, it's cute, it's marble, it's gold, and it works, but it doesn't really match the rugs. Yeah. But, it's, you know, I actually have white rugs that typically go in here, and, a tan one that's like memory foam like this. But you know, yeah. So here Okay, so I have like my cleansing bar thing that's just sitting here, and then like this is like, I don't know, from this, since it kind of has like holes in it, I just like put it on there because like, you know, when I use it, like the water seeps through. And then I have like some antibacterial soap. Oh my gosh, this video is gonna be long. And then I have like edge control. I got like, yeah, this for like blemishes. I barely use this really, but you know. And then I just got some like Japanese steel scissors. So yeah, and I trimmed my hair, and I even tested them on my dog. Yeah, it's like a Charlie. Yeah, I trimmed his tail just slightly, and they work. The cut is magnificent, and they were like $20. I saw this one lady's video, and she was just like, you guys know you can get a professional pair of scissors for like $20? Something serious. I'll link those down below. And then I have coconut oil for oral care. I've been getting these, I've been using like zero waste toothpaste for like a while now with like fluoride free. This one just has charcoal, activated charcoal, and it's like coconut. It's the coconut shaving, it's not like the, yeah, like coconut activated charcoal. And then I am using the phenol one. Phenol is so good. Like we were chewing, I was like, my sister was cooking something, and I like chewed a raw piece of like phenol, and I kid you not, that stuff will, people run around here with mints. Get you some phenol. I'm telling you, something serious. It's natural. It's like, oh my gosh. Like there's just like so much stuff out here that's just like, and this is like my deodorant that I use, and yeah, hair clips. And then I just bought these again. I don't know, I want to try different shampoo. Yeah, so, and then I have like more hair stuff. Get you some fenugreek oil. Something serious, telling you. Yeah. And then I have like my cleaning supplies, cleaning supplies, and yeah. The rugs I got from Ross or TJ Maxx Home Goods. Let's just start with the closets right here. Okay, and then here I have like my American Girl dolls, clothes up there, socks, yeah, more clothes. Honestly, I really don't like wear most of this stuff, and yeah, some of it just like sits in my closet. Like all these dresses, where am I going to go? Like my grandmother got me these, and because I would like spend like a lot of time with her, and she was like, you know, would go to church and stuff, so you know, she you know, wanted me to be presentable. And because like I mostly just like show up with leggings, and you're like, you can't wear leggings everywhere you go. And it's just like, okay, yeah. So plus honestly, some of these came in handy for like, you know, funerals and stuff. And then this, I just got this from American Eagle. So cute. Very cute. It's so posh looking. Yeah, but I need to cleanse some of this stuff out because I'm just like, you know what, I need to donate it. Oh, I should give it to the Salvation Army. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, literally. Most of this stuff is literally from high school, because like I'm like a homebody. I don't really go anywhere. Yeah. So, and then I have like my shoe thing right here from, yeah, and then like graduation medal. This has like stuff from college. Yeah, more yoga stuff and like workout stuff. And then like these, my prom dress from when I looked like a princess junior year prom was something serious. I kid you not, best prom ever. I would have skipped out on senior year prom if I knew that it was like not gonna be, oh my gosh. Like it was just so, I wish I took videos, but then again my phone got destroyed and a pool, cause like I didn't know the pool, like it was like, okay, I knew the pool was salt water, but I didn't know Apple's phones did not, they weren't water resistant towards salt water. Yeah, because I put in my pool and it was perfectly fine. Yeah, but I basically killed my phone. And it wasn't backed up. But this is my shower. Yeah. And oh my gosh, the high-rise shower was something serious, like all-time luxury. And then like the bench was just like, oh my gosh. This is the toilet. Plunger is from Amazon. And yeah, and it actually like matched. It was $15. Did you know how much plungers are? Like when I found out that I was moving, I came back home and I was just like, you know what, I need to get me a plunger. And so I spent $15 on that plunger. Yeah. It was something serious. And this, I used to have a thing that fell in, oh, well, it not fell into the wall, but I used to have like the tissue thing on the wall, but at the same time, it will literally, when we first moved here, so like this house was like newly built when we like moved in, and so we were like the first people to ever live here, and it just fell out of the wall because they use like these plastic prongs and you're apparently supposed to use like metal or steel, and so it was just like falling out of the wall. Yeah, and like we just got it like fixed. Yeah, but you know, I've been using this ever since, like, you know, don't know where it's from, but yeah, so that's pretty much it and everything. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the tour, and I am going to like go